Jatend migao mar alwora Aden Duale okawo ayanga apisi mar migao na ka owuok kuom Soipan Tuya makoro dhi e migao mar jolweny. Nyasi mar chiwo apisego, Duale osingo mar chwalo nyime chenro mane ochaki gi Tuya mag bero alwora kod rito chal mar kor lwasi. Osingo mar neno ni Kenya ochopo kare lek mar pidho yien ma kwan gi romo bilion 15. Tuya bedo puoyo kenge ma osegoyo kuom higni 2 mokalo.
Climate change will remain a major focus for me. Climate change is not merely an environmental issue, but it is the most serious challenge that humanity faces today. Its impacts are profound, it's far-reaching, and is deeply personal to all of us. Here in Kenya, we have experienced harsh realities of the climate change. You have seen the prolonged droughts of the past 2 years, followed by the very destructive floods, which brought very devastating losses of lives and livelihood. So our climate change are both severe and are very urgent.
It's been a wonderful team to work with, and I am very confident. I have worked with my brother Aden Duale in various capacities, and I can assure the team in environment, climate change and forestry that as I exit this space, you are in extremely good hands.